So in the previous video we managed to filter out some specific data we wanted from the list. In this video we will see how to calculate your semester mark across the different tests and practicals, as well as a grand total. Basically we're going to use the formula bar and the Autosum function. So for example, let's see, we will assume everything carries equal weight. So we can go to the semester grand total and we can auto sum, and then it's the grand total for test 1, test 2 and your practicals, and that will be a mark out of 120. So your grand total will be, again we assume the weights will be equal, so we go to auto sum, your exam mark plus your semester mark, and your grand total will be a mark out of 200. So now for the individual students it's exactly the same. You can do auto sum test 1 plus test 2 plus the practical, and now you can just copy that down and the same for the grand total. So the grand total will be your semester mark and your exam. So the percentage will be exactly the same as the previous calculations for percentage. So you can just grab one of those and change it. So if you see it's a F error one, so we can copy that one and we paste it here. So just remember to change the values. So we're working with K now, so it will be K3, and that I will also change to K. And then again we change this to percentage with no decimal places. And once we've got that right, we can just copy it down. And then the same for that one. Copy it there, and then we just make sure we got the right. It's 03, that M should be O. So now you've got your year-end mark in percentage for each student. In the next video I will show you how to easily display this, so it's a nice report that you can export for your students. Thank you. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the video and found the information useful. Let me know in the comments if there's any other topics you would like me to cover, and remember to hit the subscribe button.